Have you ever pondered the intricacies of the human heart? That tireless workhorse that keeps us alive, day in and day out. It's a marvel of engineering, a testament to the complexity and wonder of the human body. But how does this vital organ actually function? Let's delve into the intricate workings of the human heart. Consider the heart as a biological pump, a magnificent machine powered by electricity and fueled by blood. It's divided into 4 main chambers: the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. These 4 chambers work in perfect synchrony to keep our blood circulating and our bodies alive. The process begins in the right atrium, where deoxygenated blood from the body enters the heart. This blood, devoid of oxygen but rich in carbon dioxide, is a byproduct of the metabolic processes that keep our cells functioning. From the right atrium, the blood is pumped into the right ventricle. The right ventricle then contracts, sending the blood on a journey to the lungs. Here, in the intricate network of alveoli, the blood offloads its cargo of carbon dioxide and picks up a fresh supply of oxygen. This oxygenated blood then returns to the heart, entering the left atrium. From the left atrium, the oxygen-rich blood is pumped into the left ventricle, the chamber with the thickest walls. This is because the left ventricle has a very important job. It must push the oxygenated blood out into the body, supplying our organs and tissues with the oxygen they need to function. When the left ventricle contracts, it sends the oxygen-rich blood out through the aorta, the largest artery in the body. From the aorta, the blood travels to all parts of the body, delivering oxygen and picking up carbon dioxide. This process, known as circulation, is a continuous cycle that keeps us alive. Now to summarize the main points. The heart works in a 4-step process. First, deoxygenated blood enters the heart via the right atrium. Second, this blood is pumped into the right ventricle, which sends it to the lungs to pick up oxygen. Third, the oxygenated blood returns to the heart, entering the left atrium. And finally, the left ventricle pumps this oxygen-rich blood out into the body. This cycle repeats itself over and over, creating a constant flow of blood that nourishes our bodies and keeps us alive. In essence, the heart is a powerful pump, an electrical wonder that keeps the life-giving river of our circulatory system flowing. It's a testament to the complexity and wonder of the human body, a machine that works tirelessly, day in and day out, to keep us alive. It's a marvel of biological engineering, and understanding its workings gives us a deeper appreciation for the intricate beauty of life.